Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to visit Delhi. And so today first thing I want to show you Parliament House. Look there. Please zoom in. It's enormous and there are many birds flying over it. Now there's another bhavan there with the Indian flag hoisted on it. And look at this exquisite river type flowing thing. It looks very nice. Also very huge. So today like this, we are going to visit many more places like the India Gate, which I'll show you afterwards in this video. So, this is a beautiful garden near the Rashtrapati Bhavan. And there are also some monkeys here, which I think ran away. I forgot to show you guys another building here. There's the old Rashtrapati Bhavan and there's the new Rashtrapati Bhavan. See the national emblem there? I think so, yes. So good. There's a monkey there in the garden.
Hello.
Not so cute though. Very muscular bodyguard guarding the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Oh my god, look at this.
अभी आपने जो बेटा देखा ना मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ होम अफेयर में परमिशन है राष्ट्रपति भवन के पास जाने की.
I think it's little hurt at the back.
ये लो देखो लो.
Rashtrapati Bhavan and the Sansad Bhavan were looking pretty exquisite. Now let's go somewhere else. So guys, now we have reached to the Pradhan Mantri Sangrahalaya, and it is also a Pustakalaya, which means a library. So come on.
बंदर है, मंकी है.
There's certain monkeys here too. See, there's some text written here. Written by Narendra Modi. Oh my god, look at that. The Pradhan Mantri Sangrahalaya. Many children have come here for educational tours. Look at that. PM Sangrahalaya Metro Link Seva 1. Oh. Nice. Let's go there. Maybe there's something more. That's so good. A beautiful garden again. Let's take the tickets. I think it's a long queue, so we'll be right back. Shri Chandrasekhar, Shri VP Singh, and also Shri Rajiv Gandhi. Come on, guys. Now we can go inside as we've taken the tickets. Let's go a little steady. No. Slippery.
550 2 जन का टिकट है यहाँ पर. हो गया ना. 550 रुपए टोटल.
Oh. Is the president? Look, there are many school children. Wow.
That's Gilary. Squirrel.
Wait. Oh, it just ran away. We almost got it. So just leave it. Look at this. Oh my god, I'm very excited to go inside.
कौन सा दिया? कितना में दिया वाला?
There are benches here. so big flower pot.
इसको 250 निकालने बोला था ना विप्लव को.
Even though Delhi is a huge city with very different historical monuments, Delhi is very polluted. Welcome to the Pradhan Mantri. उसके पास हमें अलाउ
अरे कुछ नहीं
The Constitution of India.
कुछ तो कवर कर ही लो.
अच्छा उसका टोपी
किसका?
जवाहरलाल नेहरू. छोड़िए ना छोड़िए.
Playing cricket, Jawaharlal Nehru. Very used to live Jawaharlal Nehru. असली है ना? नकली होगा. कौन है?
यहाँ पे रहते थे हम लोग. प्राइम मिनिस्टर है. प्राइम मिनिस्टर. ऊपर चले गए घूमने.
My God, so good. Nehru's living room. This is the living room of Nehru ji.
तो वो क्या था स्लीपिंग रूम.
स्लीपिंग रूम, बेडरूम तो.
क्या होता है ये? Study room
अंधेरा में पढ़ते थे.
of Dr. Nehru.
टेलीफोन देख लो. चार्ट को.
That's all real.
अंधेरा में पढ़ते.
Paintings of Jawaharlal Nehru. New museum.
क्या मिलेगा वहाँ देखने के लिए? आगे से बताइए तो एक्साइटेड है.
नेहरू के बाद जितना भी
About Nehru ji. You can see that.
देखिए दीदी को खाना खा रही है.
Indira Gandhi and Jawaharlal Nehru of the old times. Very nice showpiece it is. Look at this, oh my God. Library. Indira Gandhi's bedroom.
The urge uppermost in my mind for the last 4 days has been that I should write to you, but I hardly know what to say. Was our
Bapuji died.
common parents and guide and friends who given me his child whom
Looking so live.
By 1947, India's agricultural output had been reduced to an annual growth rate of just 13 million tons,
Okay, now let's go to another place. Let's go to another museum. It's so beautiful.
ऐसे मत बोलो, तुम कैसे गिरा सकते हो?
पूरा पोड़ा है।
This is a very plain garden, no? So good. I did not know Delhi can be so beautiful.
First Prime Minister, current Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
मत बोलो कुछ, फिर लाइन से लेते रहो। ठीक है सर, ठीक है। हाँ आ जाएगा, अगर मैं कहूँगी नहीं आएगा।
बोलो।
ब्रेक कर दिया, ऐसे ले जाओ, के ले जाना चाहिए था।
चंद्रशेखर, वीपी सिंह, राजीव गांधी, चरण सिंह,
थी अल्प मूल्य पर नील उगाने के लिए विवश किया जा रहा था। किसानों पर औपनिवेशिक मांगों को पूरा करने से मना करने पर भारी जुर्माना लगा। Mines, with a population of 86.5 million. Would the history of 1947 have been different had Sardar Patel become the first Prime Minister of independent India, as the Congress Party wanted? On 29 April 1946, 12 out of 15 Pradesh Congress committees nominated Sardar Patel for the post of party president, and thereby the first Prime Minister of India. But Pandit Nehru's name was put forward at the Congress Working Committee, and a few members, such as Acharya Kripalani, suggested that Sardar Patel withdraw, so Pandit Nehru might be elected unopposed. Historian Raj Mohan Gandhi quotes in his book Patel Alive, obtaining confirmation that Jawahar will not take second place, Gandhi asked Patel to sign the statement that Kripalani had prepared. Vallabhbhai did so at once. Then Congress President Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, in a chapter of his memoirs published 30 years after his death in 1988, called the election of Pandit Nehru as Congress President in 1946 the greatest blunder.
Please. Oh my god! What the fudge?
प्रोजेक्ट के लिए काम है।
निधु नीचे यहाँ ले रहा है, सब्जी को बंद कर। हम ले रहे हैं। The writing should be there.
And Morarji Desai died. Such a big emblem. Seriously. One second. Hill goes down.
वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग करते हुए जाओ। वीडियो ऐसे पकड़ता है, हाँ कैमरा।
The way goes down. Traditional Indian music coming too. The way goes down.
Kolkata first Guinness Book of Guinness time. Honestly, food corporation of India पहला बना था। Durgapur fertilizer factory पहला बना था। Miss Rita Firana Vidyalaya is old. Pandit Ravi Shankar मर चुका भी. Indian space में ISRO का खुला था. That flashlight was camera distribution अभी यूज़ कर रहा.
So good,
It's
but it goes darker down. Mother Teresa Stadium, 1983. India wins the first World Cup.
ब्लैक बोर्ड्स नहीं थे पहले ब्लैक बोर्ड है ना
चेक किसको दी?
पहले नहीं
And now we reach.
रुक जाओ मामा कहाँ से रुक जाओ.
ले आ, चलते हैं ले आ।
The Qutub Minar. Hello guys and welcome back. So now we have come to the Qutub Minar.
कुतुब मीनार.
Let's come. See, there are also some forts here. So tall, so enormous. Can't believe it. So guys, welcome to the India Gate. I think it looks pretty exquisite. And look there, there's a huge ground where people are there having photo session. Look, we got a bubble from here, which is pretty nice. I'll try it and I'll show you. Live photos. See, there are live photos here. Wow, so nice. Let's have a glance at the India Gate. First. Hello, guys. So good. Can you please zoom in? There's something inside it. A statue. Okay, guys. This is it for today. So we'll meet in another video.